ونادى أصحاب النار أصحاب الجنة أن أفيضوا علينا من الماء أو مما رزقكم الله. They will say, the people of hellfire will say to those of paradise, can you please pour on us a little bit of water or anything that you can grant us on this day from what Allah has given you? That's the discussion. Because of the heat, pour on us a little bit of water, any liquid, throw it in this direction so that we can at least have a little bit of, the lessing of the burden and the feeling of this punishment. قالوا إن الله حرمهما على الكافرين الذين اتخذوا دينهم لهوا ولعبا وغرتهم الحياة الدنيا. The people of Jannah and Paradise will say, you know what? Allah has prohibited it today from those who disbelieved, those who did not take their religion seriously, those who did not take their connection with Allah seriously. They thought it was just an amusement and pastime, and they forgot Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And they just played on earth. They amused themselves, and that's it. They didn't prepare for this day. Yet they were warned again and again. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, فَالْيَوْمَ نَنْسَاهُمْ كَمَا نَسُوا لِقَاءَ يَوْمِهِمْ هَذَا. On this day, we will forget them. In the same way, they forgot their day that they were going to meet with us. This day, they forgot it. So what we will do, we'll forget them. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us from His mercy. All these warnings in the Quran are there in order for us to be correcting ourselves so that we can do the right thing, inshaAllah.